Today we're talking about headlights and how to know when they might need replacing. One of the most telling indicators it's time to replace a headlight is when one or more of your headlights are out. If you have a brand new set of lights, they shine nice and bright, like this. But as headlights age, the filament in the bulb itself degrades, causing them to look a bit dim and yellow. They can't throw light as far down the road, and the pattern may lose sharpness. If you notice this on your vehicle, it's time for a new set of bulbs. It's rare for a new bulb to match the output of an old one, so always replace in pairs to ensure even visibility and to save time rather than replacing the other when it fails. But also, check out the entire assembly of the headlight, which may have grown yellow or hazy over time. If you find a problem, pick up a Headlight Restoration Kit from your local AutoZone. The housing around the headlight can also crack over time and let moisture in, which can cause problems. Any cracks in the assembly will require a new one to replace it. You can always go to AutoZone to find the right bulbs for your vehicle. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.